Under Settings, so if I click on Settings and I click on Enterprise Settings, there are 4 settings under the Unusual User Activities panel on the bottom portion of the page. Let's take a look at these settings. The first is the browser session timeout. This value can be set between 5 and 300 minutes, and we'll just go ahead and leave ours at 120 minutes or allow ourselves 2 hours before we're logged out of the system. Next is the setting Auto Enable New Default Policies of the type. Use this option to automatically enable new default policies based on severity, high, medium, or low. So I can use the checkboxes to automatically enable these policies. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and enable all 3 of these. After that, we have the Make Alert Dismissal Mandatory setting, and this would require any user who has dismissed an alert to leave a note explaining the reason for dismissal. This setting is either on or off. Use the checkbox to select or deselect the setting, and I kind of like this idea, so I'm going to go ahead and enable this setting as well. The last setting on the page is Populate User Attribution in Alerts Notification. User attribution tries to identify the user who made a change to a resource that resulted in a policy violation, which could be very useful auditing information. This setting mandates that this user attribution is included in alert notifications. The information can also be useful for workflow automation. Use the checkbox to enable or disable this setting. And I like that setting as well, so we're going to go ahead and enable that. And then we click Save at the bottom of the page to commit these settings.